I'm going to show you how you can make another key for your Ford vehicle. This is a 2016 Ford Focus we're working on today. Works for lots of other Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, etc. But before that, we're going to try calling the Ford dealership and find out what they want to charge to make a key when you can do it right at home with the help of Tomskey Company. Be sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to use our awesome Key by Photo service. We'll cut the new key for you based on a photograph of your existing key. It's pretty amazing stuff. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to open up our user manual and find we got a 2016 Ford Focus. We need to turn our programmer to dial position number 7. There we go. Okay, notice there's a security seal. Sometimes there's manufacturing errors. In this case, the seal didn't fully stick down. Saw some stuff got missed there. Have even been applied. So don't worry about it. If you see lots of void labels on the back that it's been removed, you should reach out, get a replacement. I'm going to go ahead and turn the car on and take the programmer, plug it into the OBD2 port. Now to find the OBD2 port, come down here. It's often up above the gas and brake pedal. In the case of this Ford Focus, looks like it's right behind this panel. There you go. So you can plug this guy in. To make your life a little bit easier, I recommend picking up this optional extension cable. Remove your existing key, put your new key in that's been cut, key in the ignition, 2 clicks to the on and run position. The engine is not running. Now got our new key in here. And take a programmer, plug it in, and push the button. Okay, we got 2 beeps. It's gonna take about 10 minutes for the programming. We'll be back here in a few minutes. In the meantime, let's check on that phone call to the car dealership. Let's see how long it takes to get a price from Ford to make a spare key. And we'll see how long it takes just to make the freaking key in my driveway.
Good afternoon, Parth.
This is Mike. I'm trying to get another key made for a 2016 Ford Focus.
Okay, who's calling for pricing? Or?
Yeah, to figure out how much it's going to cost.
So it looks like it runs you $169.99 for the key,
Okay.
then $225 to program it.
Ooh.
After tax, you're at $436.96.
436. Okay. What? Do you know how long that takes?
Usually about a half an hour, and
Okay.
we do those Monday through Friday between 10 and 4.
Okay, I'll have to figure out if I can swing that cost.
Okay, and of course it probably goes without saying, but the car has to be with you.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate the information. All right, did you hear that? $436 to make this spare key at the Ford dealership. And I got to take it in the dealership, hang out there for a while. Okay, let's see what it takes to do right here at home. As this approaches the 10-minute point, it should go without saying, make sure your vehicle battery is nice and charged. Turn off the HVAC, roll down the windows if it's a hot day, turn off the radio, don't have the headlights on, the lights inside the vehicle. All your doors have to be closed. You're going to be in the car for 10 minutes while you wait for this. If your vehicle battery is weak before you start, it could die in the process. And then you're going to think your vehicle's not working, but you really just have to jump the car because your car battery died. Okay, I started this, it took me a few seconds to get this started, but we're approaching the 10-minute point. So we should be hearing this thing give us a nice happy tune. Ha, there we go. Just heard the happy tune. That means it's done. Okay, let's pull this thing out. And now, moment of truth. Let's start the engine. Boom! Look at that. Engine fires right up. Okay, so both keys now start the engine. Here's the original key. Let's double check that. Engine works just great. We just saw the new key work as well. But the buttons on the new key do not work yet. So in order to get the buttons work, we've got to follow the programming procedure. Now there's 2 methods. The instruction manual shows method A and method B. You don't really know which method's appropriate for your vehicle, but they're quick and easy to try. So we'll start with method A on this one, and if it works, we don't have to do method B. We're going to take my original key. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did not hear a chime, so that didn't seem to work. Start the engine just to reset the vehicle computer. Okay, for method B, I need to unlock all the doors. Okay. With all doors unlocked to the vehicle, I need to take my existing key, turn it to run 8 times in 10 seconds. We're going to leave it in the off position and then press the buttons on each remote. So let's give that a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, off. There, we heard a beep. Push a button on that remote, heard a beep. Push a button on this remote, heard it beep. Now we need to take the key, turn it to the run position, turn it off. Both of these remotes should now work. Okay, I don't know if you can see the light on the door where it locks, but let's try both of these. Locked, unlock, here's a new one. Lock, unlock. Perfect. We got 2 working keys. Be sure you add our optional key by photo key cutting service. It's pretty cool. You're gonna snap 3 photos of your key blade, get your phone directly above it, go ahead and turn the key a couple different directions, get those 3 photos with the phone right above the key blade, send it in, and then with the magic of our key by photo technology, we're gonna cut your new key so it arrives and it already fits the vehicle. Key by photo is pretty amazing. Can you believe how easy that was to make a spare key? I've got 2 keys for this Ford Focus now, saved hundreds of dollars over what the car dealership wanted to charge, and it only took me about 10 minutes sitting right here in the driveway. If you can place an order online and snap a photo of your key, well, you can save a ton of time and money with the help of Tom's Key Company. And we have great customer service, so if you run into some problems, no worries, reach out to us, let us help you get your key working. And if for some reason we still can't get it to work, guess what? We've got a full money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Come to tomskey.com, place your order today. You'll save a ton of time and money by skipping the car dealership. You heard how much the car dealership wanted to rip me off for. Why on earth would anyone go there when you can make a spare key without leaving home? And guess what? We've helped save our customers over $12 million in the last several years by skipping the car dealership and coming to tomskey.com. You've got nothing to lose. You'll have a new key shipped right to your door with our key by photo service. It'll be cut to fit your vehicle. Visit tomskey.com. Place your order today.